Hello and welcome to this tutorial introduction video. Today I modeled the closed blast load by using convex method over the uh, glass windshield. You can see here this is a shield or glass shield of a police helmet. You can see of the police helmet, and we are going to check the maximum capacity or the strength of this glass with this thickness under the blast load with typical glass material. So if I click on animate, you can see here this is the failure. You can see here, let me request the damage. You can see this is the damage for the glass, these are the crack, and after that the full damage happened. We can request pressure due to buckling. We can request ductile damage, plastic strain. You can see it in this view, and we can make it free edge. This is the damage propagations or the yield criterion or the stress. For the stress we can use a limit to have a better view. For instance, if we make it 2, maybe 1, it is a better view. This is the stress propagations. At the end of the model also we can request everything like reaction force in, for instance, in y direction, so we can find our F2 here, and we can select all, and sum. This is the reaction force for the boundary zone here, and we used JH2 or Johnson-Hellquist model for the this windshield from the police helmet, and this is the damage happened during the convex blast method. In the convex blast method, we just need to define the mass of the explosive and its location, and then we can do the model. So if you need to model the windshield of the police helmet under the blast or something like impact model, you can use this tutorial. So if you want this, you can come to our website here, www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial here, click on this, then you will have this explanation about, this is the introduction, then the geometry, material method, step interaction and load, and then the result as figures. So the cost for the CA, INP and English video file and reference for the material is 26 euros. We use PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard. For the payment, before the payment, just send me an email to this address. Then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for your attention.